Today we're going to talk about relays. This is a relay for a fuel pump out of a 2000 Ford Focus CX-3, and someone I know is having trouble with their fuel pump and they think maybe the relay is suspect. Regardless, since relays are used in most cars, it's a good idea to know how to troubleshoot them. I'm going to go ahead and break this open and pull the case off just to show you how they work. As you can see, you've got an electromagnet, and then you've got a switch that's driven by that electromagnet. You can look for the small wire going to the electromagnet, and you can see that's coming off this post here, and then as well off this post here, which means that these two on the end are driving that electromagnet. So I've got a car battery here. This is ground even though it's red, and I've got this probe hooked up to the positive lead, and you should be able to see that the relay is actuating. You can see it move and you can hear it click. Now, just because the relay clicks does not mean that it's in good shape. The contacts could be dirty, or something else could be wrong here. So the only real way to test a relay is to see if these two pins are connecting together when you activate the relay. This allows a relatively small amount of current coming to the electromagnet to drive a much larger amount of current, such as for headlights, fog lights, or in this case a fuel pump. So over here I have a multimeter, just cheap one from Harbor Freight, and I've got it set in continuity testing mode so that when the two leads touch, it beeps. Okay. So I'll go ahead and hook these two alligator clips up to the high amperage outputs of the relay. And if all is working well, when the relay clicks, we should hear beeping from the multi-tester. In this case, the relay is good. If the relay doesn't click at all, it's probably bad. You can also use your finger to manually actuate it without any electricity, and you can hear that the continuity is being met. In this case, the electromagnet here is bad and the relay needs to be replaced. So if all these functions don't quite test out on your relay, that's cause for replacement. Again, this particular relay is used for many different applications, so they're usually pretty cheap, easy to find, and if they don't work, they can cause a lot of problems. Hopefully this helps.